In this tutorial, I will show you how to make your dress look really big and beautiful, as well as edit this fall how to be more impressive. About the light setup, I has already guided you. You can register for the lighting course to learn at www.lightingsecret.com, as well as what lens focal length to use. I will open this photo. Well, with a photo like this, the dress isn't big enough. Well, first, I will make the dress bigger by pulling the dress to the sides. I'll make it round. Drag as big as you can. Then I will crop the image again by pressing C. So now I see the picture, it's different. And now I'm going to drag this tail a little bit longer. Let it almost touch the edge here. Then there is only one step. I have changed a lot about this photo. And now I will color correct the image. First of all, I thinks that the skin is light enough, but the photo is a bit dark. So I will add contrast. Here, I add once is not enough, I add 2 times. It okay. Now I will group these 2 groups together. I will create a mask and I will sweep in to darken the image. The skin on this hand is a bit light. I also scans it down a bit. And the parts that are bright, I reduce them. I will see that this photo is a bit yellow. Then I went to my color cast except white balance. Here, I will subtract 1 more. So I think that's more beautiful. I will reduce it a little bit. Okay. Before, after. I find the picture clearer. Such a beautiful dress. Then I can squeeze a little bit. I group the layers together. Create a new layer. Now I will squeeze the dress to make it more even. And let it glide a little. Then okay. Now I corrects the color of this red leaf. I will adjust it by going to color cast and adding red. Before, after. And I will erase the dark part on this skin. Now that picture is beautiful. And I will do the final step, where I blocks this photo. By going to brush, contrast. I scanned these areas. Let it light up. Usually I would sweep up the spine of the hem to make it stand out. Then I will merge the layer and choose burn. I hit these dark parts. The dark parts, I let them darken. Then the bright parts, I light up. It will make this dress stand out a lot. Next, I will dodge. Then now I will watch before, after. Before, after. Then you may not need to do this step. However, if I do this step, my photo will be much more beautiful and impressive.